Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So today I decided to film this makeup tutorial for you guys. It's been months, to say the very least, since I filmed a makeup tutorial. So I figured I would just show you guys my go-to makeup look. So this is a look that I wear like if I'm doing like a girls' night out, a night on the town, if I'm going on a date, I'm hanging out with friends. Like this is just like my go-to like staple look. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then obviously keep watching. And if you guys like videos like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then keep on watching.